Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Harley-Davidson Fat Bob 114 with 34,908 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, a keyless ignition, and has been upgraded with Screaming Eagle ignition cables. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Fat Bob puts 94 horsepower and 114 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.6-gallon fuel tank, the Fat Bob has a 150 to 200-mile fuel range. It has a 676-pound wet weight and a 28-inch seat height. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, and both tires at 430 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a scratch on the forks, a scratch on the fuel tank, paint chips on the fuel tank, scuffs on the headlight cowl, scratches on both rear fender struts. This bike has one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.